We are harvesting rice around July 1st, and usually the season is over around the first week of November. Rice harvest is completely mechanized. We use rice combines to harvest the rice. A rice combine is a huge piece of equipment which basically cuts the rice, cleans it. The kernels go into a tank which is on the same combine, and all the straws, the leaves, and any other foreign matter is left in the field. Once the tank on the rice combine is full, we dump the rice into a trailer, and we move this rice to the rice mill when it's further processed. Basically, it's cleaned, dried, and stored till we start processing it.